Join me as we create this fresh idea using Canva and our videos on Canva. Let's jump right in. Open up your canvas. Next thing, you're going to go to your elements and you're going to search for flowing water or water video. So when you click on water and you go to your videos, you'll get different kinds of videos. The one that I found that I'm using is both of these. The first one is called water wave and the second one you'll see just now. So what you do, you then click and add it to your canvas, and then you right click and then you set the video as background. Then you go ahead and you search for frames. You click on frames and then you will look for that love frame that's available on frames over here. There we go. Type love frame and then you edit. And once you've added the love frame, you just align it to your design so that it looks like that. Then you go back and you find your video that you've just added. So you can add the video again and drag it to the frame. Click on the frame itself, go and make the cropping option and then just make it the exact same size as the video that is saved as a background, so that you have something that looks like that. And then you're going to click on the love frame, go to your borders, select borders, and then make it nice and big and thick, maybe like 11 or 15, and make it nice white so that it pops out like that. And then you can go ahead and add the frames to our frames, and we're going to look for the frames for FR, like fresh. So you're going to go to frames and look for FR and make sure that the sizes are the same. Once you've added the wording, you can place it throughout your design like this so that it's nicely spaced out evenly. And you go back and you grab your video and you add it to your F. Once you've selected your F, you are again going to pick crop and then make the video the same size. And then you add your border, you add the stroke, and there, quick and easy. When you play this whole thing, it looks like this. Then you're going to click on share and you're going to download your video as a video and you're good to go. If you want another idea for an ad that you could create with animation on Canva, go watch this video.